Hama Janelu, Namaskar and hello. I welcome all of you to my YouTube channel Nungshipi Imar Phiral. Again, I have come up with a new video on learning Bishnupriya Manipuri. Today I am going to share some common verbs and sentences using those verbs. So let us start. The common verbs such as walk, run, play, dance, eat, drink, cry, etc. So the first one, that is walk. Walk in Bishnupriya Manipuri, atani. I am walking. Me atia asu. I am means me, walking atia asu. I am walking, me atia asu. You are walking, ti atia asot. He is walking, ta atia ase, or she is walking. She is means they, walking atia ase. She is walking, they atia ase. Okay, it's very simple. And in plural form, we are walking. We are means ami. Ami atia asi. You are walking, tumi atia aso. They are walking, tanu atia asi. They are means tanu, walking, continuous tense, present continuous tense. It will be tanu atia asi. Tell one more verb, that is run. Run means dabdani. In Bishnupriya Manipuri, run means dabdani. I am running, me dabdiya asu. Very simple, no? I am running, me dabdiya asu. You are running, ti dabdiya asat. He is running, ta dabdiya ase. She is running, te dabdiya ase. In plural form again, we are running, ami dabdiya ase. Very easy. You are running, tumi dabdiya aso. They are running, tanu dabdiya asi. Let me share one more verb, that is play. Play means in Bishnupriya Manipuri, khelani. Play means khelani. I am playing, me kheleya asu. You are playing, ti kheleya asat. He is playing, ta kheleya ase, or she is playing, te kheleya ase. In the same way, in plural form, we are playing, ami, what it will be? Kheleya asi. Yes, you are playing, tumi kheleya aso. They are playing, tanu kheleya ase. Easy, no? Let me take one more verb, that is dance, means nasani. I am dancing, me nasia asu. You are dancing, ti nasia asat. He is dancing, ta nasia ase, or she is dancing, te nasia ase. In plural form, we are dancing, what it will be? Ami. Yes, right. Ami nasia asi. You are dancing, tumi nasia aso. They are dancing. They are means tanu. Okay. They are dancing. Tanu nasia asi. After that, let me take one more verb, that is eat. Eat. Eating. It means khana. I am eating. Mi kheya asu. You are eating. Ti kheya asad. He is eating. Ta kheya ase. She is eating. Te kheya ase. In plural form, we are eating. Ami kheya asi. You are eating. Tumi kheya aso. They are eating. Tanu kheya asi. Okay. So after that, let me take one more verb, that is drink. Okay. Drink. Drink means pina. Drinking. Piya asu. Drinking. I am drinking. Mi piya asu. You are drinking. Ti piya asad. He is drinking. Ta piya ase. She is drinking. Te piya ase. In plural form. Very easy, no? We are drinking. Ami piya asi. You are drinking. Tumi piya aso. They are drinking. Tanu piya asi. So if we use one more word with drinking, suppose I am drinking water. Mi pani piya asu. Very easy, no? At the last, I am giving you some more common verbs such as cry, laugh, sit, stand, sleep. Cry means kadani, laugh means ahani, sit means bohani, stand means ubani, sleep means gunjani. And you try to make sentences using these verbs in the same format. Yes, I know you'll be able to do this correctly. So let me conclude today. Meet you again. Thank you very much. Habihan Hobaya Thayo.